Welcome to Savage Motors. Today we have a very clean and tidy 2016 Mercedes Benz CLA200 for sale. Extremely well maintained and here presented with full blacked out package, tinted windows all around and a 5-year ceramic pro coating for a deep and glossy shine. Here's the factory 18-inch wheels wrapped in 225/4018 grippy Potenza RE050 tires. At the heart of this CLA200 we find the 4-cylinder inline 1.6-liter turbo engine with 160 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Very responsive and incredibly quick. Mercedes-Benz is known for great interiors design. The CLA200 has the executive look while retaining a sporty character through the leather steering wheel with paddle shifts, front bucket seats that are progressive yet very comfortable. Standard on this model are the electric adjustments with memory seats, power windows and mirrors, fog lights and auto LED lights, although the most prominent feature is perhaps the enormous sunroof that gives the CLA an entirely different character. When completely opened, it takes almost the same length as the whole roof, allowing lots of natural light in the cabin. At the rear we find the same theme with bucket seats and half leather, child seat anchor supports, and a pretty generous armrest with an opening for loading long objects. Here is how to tilt the rear seats to allow much more loading capacity through the rear boot. And that's really comprehensive given the size of the car. Here is how to lock them back in place. And voila! You're ready for the long journey. Giving another look to the executive character of the front cabin, we find red accents and leather everywhere, freestanding LCD monitor, the radio controls, air conditioning and the main control knob for the infotainment system. The steering wheel has a nice aggressive design with the pedal shifts, and down here is a cruise control lever. The dashboard has two main gauges for speed and RPMs, with two lesser ones for fuel level and water temp, and an additional center digital display with different functions that can be triggered and activated through the remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. On the main center console we can find the buttons for the heated seats on 3 different levels of intensity, and then the parking sensors here and the start-stop button, while the drive select button changes the responsiveness or comfort of the vehicle depending on the setting. And then the 2 zones air conditioning unit, front storage compartment with 12-volt power point, another storage compartment on the tunnel, 2 main cup holders and lots of storage space under the armrest. The factory infotainment system has all the settings and allows comprehensive personalization of the vehicle. Here we can see the navigation system, and then through the main knob here on the center console we can interact with all the different menus and settings. For example, the illumination, the interior lighting, the exterior lighting, the ambient lighting colors and brightness, interior welcome light, and so forth. Really extensive indeed. Dynamic Select allows you an extensive control and setting of all the aspects of the performance of the vehicle, from the engine to the steering wheel and so forth. We can find sport, comfort and other different settings, allowing a total personalization of the character of the car depending on the configuration. Now that we have it on a hoist, we can see that the conditions are as above, so below. This 2016 Mercedes Benz CLA200 is an opportunity you don't want to miss out, especially considering the conditions of this vehicle. This car is currently located in Auckland, New Zealand, and here is our contact details for you. Be in touch today to secure this great 2016 CLA200 for you and your family to enjoy and be happy. Only at Savage Motors.